and welcome back to Automotivania. Now in this video I'm going to be answering one of the most asked questions in the car industry, and that is, should you buy a previously written off car? Now these are cars that you might see on Auto Trader that say Cat N, Cat C, Cat D, and I'm going to tell you what all these mean, and then I'm going to tell you what you should be looking for and what you shouldn't be looking for. Let's get started. First off then, for those of you that are confused at what these category cars actually mean, let me tell you what they are. So the main ones that you'll see are Cat N, Cat D, Cat S and Cat C, thank you. So Cat S and Cat C, these are cars that have had structural damage. So these have had chassis or engine damage. These are cars that have been the more badly damaged cars. Cat N and Cat D, these are cars that have had non-structural damage, so it's mainly just cosmetic stuff where the bodywork's been damaged and it's been deemed uneconomical to repair, either because the car was damaged in main places where it costs more, or for other reasons as well. Now, with Category D and Category N cars, these are where you need to be less, I mean you should always be hesitant and careful, but these are less serious, and I'd say if there's no images on supply to you or there's no records, avoid it, because something's being hidden. You would not keep the records for no reason. If Auto Traders or history checkers flagged up that it's been written off, but the dealer or the private owner themselves don't have any records, then that's a red flag, because there should be records with it and you don't know what you're buying. Now, images, they're not completely necessary if you have a description of what happened, and basically the more serious it is, the less I'd be attracted to it. But with Category N and Category D cars, I would normally say go for it if there's a very good deal on offer and the car looks to be in good shape and it isn't going to break down on you. And if you can, I'd get a mechanic to go and just double check it anyway. Now with Category S cars and Category C cars, these are where I'd be a lot more cautious, because these have had serious damage and you want to check that it's been repaired to a high standard, that they've been stamped by good approved dealers or garages where you can trust the work. Maybe even reach out to those people to see, yeah, what have you done, how bad was it, and was it done very well, was it fixed very well. I would also recommend trying to get pictures. If not, again, it's not the end of the world, just so you can see what you're buying and what happened to it beforehand. Now, I would definitely 100% recommend getting a mechanic to go and double check what you're buying before you go and look at it. And really, I wouldn't, unless there's a really good deal, I would just look into something else if it's a Cat S or Cat C, because these have been badly damaged and a lot of the times they will just have other faults because there might have been something done wrong along the way. However, with Category N and Category D cars, it's a much safer bet because it's just cosmetic damage, and if you can see it's been repaired well, and if you can see that there's no proper damage still there and that the engine's in good condition, nothing sounds rough, it's normally going to be a good deal. I hope that helped you. If not, that's sad. Look somewhere else. If it did, good, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe, share, do all the things they say to YouTube videos.